Hey guys! Welcome back to Crypto Maways, a channel where you find the daily updates about cryptocurrencies and investment. Like and subscribe if you are new to the channel. Let's get into the video. Investing in cryptocurrencies is a relatively new trend that necessitates viewing these assets through a variety of angles. We must examine technical chart indicators such as support and resistance levels, bull flags, Bollinger Bands, and RSI, among others. When everyone, including experienced institutional investors, utilizes the same indications and techniques to grab gains ahead of time, leaving regular retail investors out in the cold. Understanding whale movements through on-chain analysis is one of the most essential elements for investing in cryptocurrencies. There is minimal knowledge and expertise surrounding this crucial, yet overlooked body of information, but many easy and helpful tools are accessible. In this post, we will look at the transaction dynamics fueled by whale movements in order to maximize value on returns while avoiding REKT. Whale definitions: individuals or entities who own a high number of coins of a certain cryptocurrency are referred to be whales in the crypto industry. As they amass a significant number of coins, they gain enough clout to control the value of a certain cryptocurrency. Bitcoin whales are similar to other big asset holders in that their moves have a disproportionate influence on the Bitcoin market, either through greater volatility, lower liquidity, or a combination of the two. Whale ages altcoins are strongly indexed on BTC. A BTC whale movement that affects its price might crush an altcoin even if there is no whale activity on that specific blockchain. Every day, there are multiple whale moves on BTC, Aave, and other leading cryptocurrencies of various quantities, which have a predictable influence on prices. A second aspect that is not intuitively connected to whale movement is wallet age. Older, dormant wallets transact for the first time, and selling out causes a significant wake-up and shake-up. This shows that prices have risen to the point that even the most AUG holders are willing to sell. Given that a lot is smaller and wallet to wallet, these are covered in the press inconsistently. Whale buying Bitcoin surpasses $35,000 as whales produce the largest daily accumulation increase of 2021, with 60,000 BTC acquired. Bitcoin gained ground over the weekend for the first time in weeks. Between Saturday and Sunday, the cryptocurrency gained more than 5%. One of the primary reasons why Bitcoin has risen over the weekend might be attributed to a surge in purchases by whales. According to the researcher, the number of coins owned by whale entities, clusters of addresses controlled by a single network user owning 1,000 to 10,000 BTC increased by more than 80,000 to 4.216 million BTC on Friday last week, the highest level since May. Whales acquired 60,000 Bitcoin in one day, according to on-chain analysis company Santiment. Santiment claimed in a recent tweet, Bitcoin whale addresses holding between 110k BTC began out July with a 60k BTC accumulation surge, the biggest daily jump of 2021. After owning 100k less BTC just 6 weeks ago, these addresses now have 9.12 M coins. The number of whale entities has also increased to a 3-week high of 1,922, the analyst reports. The channel argues that the resumed accumulation by whale entities is excellent news for the market because these wealthy investors were instrumental in propelling Bitcoin from $10,000 to almost $60,000 in the 5 months leading up to February 2021. The price movement emphasized smaller investors' incapacity to perform the heavy lifting and hinted at the possibility of a significant market correction. Furthermore, the channel hypothesizes that the most recent increase in the whale balance indicates that the bottom has been achieved. Aave to launch permission deployment for institutions later in July. Aave is another cryptocurrency that has been attacked this month, Aave. Aave's permission deployment will go live this month in response to extensive demand from numerous institutions. The platform will be launched in collaboration with Fireblocks, a cryptocurrency custodian and service provider. According to Altcoin Daily, Aave Pro will only handle 4 assets at launch: Bitcoin, BTC, Ether, ETH, Aave, and USD Coin, USDC, with its pools separate from Aave's other deployments. The platform will add a whitelisting layer to its V2 smart contracts to guarantee that Aave Pro is only accessible to institutions, corporates, and fintechs, who have passed Fireblocks Know Your Customer verification. Fireblocks will also be in charge of Aave Pro's anti-money laundering and anti-fraud procedures. The Aave Pro launch will only handle 4 digital assets: Aave, BTC, USDC, and Aave. Aave Pro's pool will be separated from other Aave deployments in its operations. The platform's V2 smart contracts now have an additional whitelisting layer. Certain institutions, fintech, and corporations now have access to Aave Pro as a result of this update. The KYC, Know Your Customer, verification from Fireblocks controls access. In addition, Fireblocks will be in charge of anti-fraud and anti-money laundering for the Ethereum-based system. Wyoming legally recognizes EOS-based DAO in historic move. According to a statement, the American Crypto Fed DAO was officially recognized by the U.S. state of Wyoming on Sunday. It became the first federal area in history to recognize a decentralized autonomous organization, or DAO, in this historic action. The legal DAO, dubbed the American Crypto Fed DAO, is built on the high-speed blockchain network EOS and uses a dual token system. 1. Ducat, an algorithmic stable coin with unlimited issuance proposed to be used for daily transactions and as a store of value, and 2. Block, a governance token with a 10 trillion circulating supply. Our digital currency allows governments, businesses, and consumers to conduct digital transactions without incurring processing fees, said Marian Orr, CEO of the American Crypto Fed DAO and former mayor of Wyoming. As a former mayor, I can tell you those expenditures mount up quickly, she continued. This implies that towns and their citizens will no longer lose money as a result of transaction fees, allowing governments to boost revenues without raising taxes. Eternity Chain launches authenticated NFT marketplace to curtail fraud. Eternity Chain addresses the prevalent issue of fraud in existing NFT markets. Despite the fact that the NFT idea is intended to minimize counterfeiting and fraud, it is still relatively easy to manufacture counterfeit copies of NFT collections and sell them on open marketplaces. This behavior reduces NFT inventors' and sellers' income and reputation. Buyers may be confident that the collections originate from legally authorized distributors thanks to Eternity Chain's verified NFT. The Eternity team authenticates the collections, ensuring that a given NFT originates from its intended originator. Eternity guarantees that artists and creators receive all royalties owed for their work. Do you know what digital currency you want to add to your portfolio? You may start trading a wide selection of cryptocurrencies with Capital.com, immediately utilizing contracts for difference, CFDs. Trading CFDs allows you to profit from both bullish and negative price movements. You can either maintain a long position, betting on the price rising, or a short one, betting on the price falling. Keep in mind that both Bitcoin and CFD trading are fraught with danger. Consult our thorough trading guidelines before initiating any trades. When you're ready, open an account with Capital.com and keep up with our coverage of the newest crypto news, forecasts, and rankings. With this, here comes the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you like it, hit a thumbs up, it inspires me to create more videos. If you are new, you can just hit the subscribe button to stay updated. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, bye.